just preliminary markings of a project that's going to be a final professional design that's making this street and Rosemary Street and West Franklin Street in Chapel Hill a much safer and much more comfortable space for everyone, pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers. But in the meantime, take your time, be safe, watch out for your neighbors. The lines are a little bit faint right now because they're just the start. But we're going to be finishing up in just a couple weeks, and we'll have a great new roadway in downtown Carrboro. Yeah, one of the things that's important about this project also is that it's connecting to a larger network that allows us to connect seamlessly from Main Street in Carrboro to Franklin Street in Chapel Hill, or from Rosemary Street in Carrboro to Rosemary Street in Chapel Hill. All of these new amenities and safety improvements connect with each other and make it one larger network. Deliberate process.
But it's come to fruition.
Yeah.
All that hard work.
So you ride here every day.
Well,
I see you ride here pretty much.
Well, I am now that there's lanes here, but before I would kind of go through the Bank of America drive-through and take the back way to Liba, but since there's all that construction on Cameron, it's horrible to ride on that stretch these days.
It really just gives us more options.
Right.
I would think about this too because they're adding the lanes on Rosemary next to the lanes on Chapel Hill.
Yep. There's finally connectivity. Right. It's a network instead of segments.
You don't have just one route.
Exactly. So you got options. So, I mean, you just gotta keep your head in a swivel and go slow and not be in a rush. I mean, that goes for everybody when they're out there mixing it up with traffic. So
I think that's especially important for drivers too. The best thing that you can do in any situation, including one where you're not sure about what's changing around you, is just go slow.
Yep. Be patient.
Get there safer